Hi everyone, it's Tammy and welcome to week 6 of the 12 crafts of Halloween. And this one I think is a really cool, fun one. And it's really easy, but you do have to have a test tube. And I have seen these at the Dollar Tree before, but these I got, I think, off of Amazon, and I have had them in my stash for quite some time. So I couldn't even tell you where I got them or whatever. But if you, and these happen to be glass ones, they have plastic ones as well. You could use any sort of a tube. If you had a washi tape tube, I think that that would work too. It would be a wider and it would need more candies, but that was just another idea that I had that you could use. I was trying to think of something else. Maybe even like a pill bottle, or I know that I like these drink fizzy things, and they come in a little bottle. You could think of mint bottles, so it wouldn't have to necessarily be clear. If you had one that was white or something like that, you could do the same thing. But I have these, so I thought I would go ahead and use them, and I think it turned out really cute, so I'm excited about this. So it's super easy once you have your container. I just have a container with a rubber stopper. I was thinking about putting the spider on top of the stopper, but I kind of liked it better on the actual glass. So this is what it looks like. And then I have a hole punch that makes like blood drips. Kind of spooky but cool at the same time. So I just took my red paper and I punched this out. This pulls out like this. And then it's just one of the ones that goes along, so it makes as long of a blood drip as you want it to be. And since I've made one already, I'm just going to use what was left from the first one, and I'm just going to wrap it around and get an idea of about how long I want it to be, which is about to here. So then I'm going to cut this off. And then I still have enough for another one if I want. And to do this, I like to use glue dots, and I'm going to put 3 of them on this. So I'm going to put one on each end and one in the middle. And I see where the stopper comes in here, so I'm going to put this a little lower than that, because I want to have room for my string. And I'm just taping it down as I go along. And again, it only has 3 little pieces of glue dot on it, but that is enough. And then I'm going to take some twine or string or whatever. I happen to have this from Tuesday morning, I think. This is twine on a spool. So I just took some of my twine, and oh, that was left over from the other one. And I'm going to hold it out so that I can use it to tie a knot. And then I'm going to start with the red portion and just go up however long I want it to be, and then tie it in a knot. And then I'm going to cut that off so it's not hanging down too awfully low. Oh, I need these again. And that's that. Isn't that cute? I mean, super simple. And then I have these rings that I got from the Dollar Tree, and it came in a package of, I think, 8 of them. And there's some with a purple and some with the orange. So I picked the one that I wanted for the project, and I'm just going to cut the ring. You know what though? I wonder if oh, you could just put it around. You could just do that if you wanted to, but I think I like it a little crooked, so I'm gonna just cut these off. So I just cut the ring part off. It's just plastic. So snip that, snip that. Oh my gosh, there was a spider in the kitchen this morning. Oh, and Dennis was still asleep, so I had to kill it. I don't like spiders at all. And I know they're okay to have because I know that they kill other bugs, and my mom would always tell me that they're good, but oh my gosh, they scare the Jesus out of me. Okay, so then I like to take a glue dot, and so where the ring was, it's kind of raised, and so that's going to be the highest point. So I take my glue dot and I kind of stick it on one of those sides, and then like pull it over, stretch it through so it's on both of the highest points, and then I'm going to put another one on its body, and that seems to work all right. So I have one glue dot here and then one stretched over where I cut, and then I'm going to take it, put it on here wherever I want it. I think I want it a little bit sideways, and I like it by the knot, and I'm just using my fingers to push that on, and there it is. Isn't that cool? Ah. And then I found these at the Dollar Tree too, and they came in a package of 6, and it takes almost 3 packages to fill this up. So one package of the Reese Pieces makes 2 surprises. At least a few are using this size. Oops. And then one more. And like I said, this one doesn't take all of them, but almost all of them. And then you could put the topper on. And there we go. Isn't that awesome? So this is week 6. Hope that you guys like this. Hope you guys try it, because I think it's really cool. I think that guys and girls both would get a hoot out of this one. I think it's kind of creepy, but neat at the same time. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.